Yeah, Windy Bill here. We're in northern Nevada. And we got a storm moving in, so I need to film this before the storm gets here. Kind of hard to get to this, so let's see what we can do here. Let everybody take and read this, and I'll summarize it. A 12 kiloton nuclear device was detonated below this site on October 26, 1963. The nuclear test was conducted as part of the VALA uniform program sponsored jointly by the U.S. Department of Defense and the Atomic Energy Commission. It was detonated in a granite formation at a depth of 1,211 feet. Now, of all the ones we've detonated, test site, this is one of the shallower ones. It was extended from a shaft 1,000 feet west of this location, and we're going to go up and see that location also in a second. And they was trying to test seismic activity. When you get into the actual reading of the technical sheets of paper and all that stuff, okay, here's the marker of the exact location the blast was detonated from. When you get and read and start studying into the deeper paperwork and history of this, what it was a test right when the treaty was getting ready to be signed that would allow the geological people to know the exact readings in a hard rock, where if one of the other countries broke the treaty and tested a nuclear bomb blast, we could tell the difference from the seismic, traveling the seismic waves through the earth, of whether it was a bomb or was it an earthquake. And I guess the final product was they could tell real easily the difference between an earthquake happening and a bomb going off underground test. So it was a good thing, because it was right during the treaty. And we could test if what people were doing for the other countries. Okay, I'm going to go up to where the drill site is. It's just up the road here, so I'll bring you back when I get there. This is where it appears the shaft was that went down. Went down 1,000 feet. And I'm sure they sealed it all off. Although they say on the monument, re-entry into the shafts is illegal. So I'm just looking and seeing if I can see where it could have been. This is all granite that they took out. And that's all waste rock that they took out. So if this is granite and waste rock, the shaft would have to be around here somewhere. See, this is all waste rock also, which tells me I don't think the shaft was here. Could have been up here or over there. And it's starting to rain. So you have to look at this. See, this has all been disturbed. Alright, this is where the shaft was, somewhere around here. And they probably covered it and covered over it, sealed it and covered over it. So, yeah, it would have been right here, going down. Because they drilled a shaft to go down, big enough for an elevator lift to go down, to take the bomb down and everything they needed and all the personnel working on it. And then they tunneled 1,000 feet that way to where that monument was. And that's where they set the bomb off. So, not sure what it is, where it was, but this is a location of where the shaft going down would have been. Alright, that's going to conclude this video. You know, you look at this and you test all the testing and all the nuclear bombs and blasts. There was a lot of stuff going on during the 60s. Thank you for watching. You guys have a blessed day. Okay, we have the location of where the shaft was for the nuclear bomb. How many people you know of can say, I parked on top of where the nuclear bomb was set off? Alright, thank you for watching. Okay, I think this is where they still come out and take readings. This probably goes down to the depth of the blast, because that's the waste rock pile. That's where the blast was over there. I can barely make out the monument from here. So we'll post all this and get this all up posted, and we'll search. There's probably more of these test sites all around here, I would guess. But pending whether we're going to take off and get out of here. Alright, thank you for watching.